Hi everybody, Lynn Forsyth here. So I wanted to show you my gel press play today that I had with alcohol inks. So here is the finished one, which is so pretty. And then here's my bonus print, which I almost like better. And then if you actually look at the stencil itself, it looks pretty yummy too. So I will stop talking and I will just put this on fast forward so you can see how I did this. Alrighty, meet you on the other side. Okay, so what prompted me to play with alcohol inks is because I went to Hobby Lobby and I got a haul. They had alcohol inks on clearance and I just couldn't pass it up. But I'm not real proficient in the use of alcohol inks, so this was a great way for me to try it out. We also have some amazing product sponsors for gel press, one of them being the Crafters Workshop, and this is called the Striped Mandala, and it has all these awesome places to put color. The next thing that I used is my Joggles clear acrylic stamp mount, which allowed me to move the gel press around for better flexibility to paint on. So I also had a water brush that was filled with blending solution. Now these are the things that I learned. In this case, more is better when applying the alcohol ink through the stencil onto your gel press. I say that because I like how it flowed underneath the stencil. Now, this is probably one of the only times that I would want this effect, but in this case, it worked perfectly. But when putting alcohol inks into my paint tray, more is not better. It was easier for me to squeeze out a couple drops at a time so that the color didn't evaporate. Now you can see that I picked up my stamp mount with the 6x6 stencil on it so that I could make sure I hadn't missed any spots. So I'm filling in the rest of the spots, and I don't know about you, but this was a really awesome, no-brainer kind of zen moment for me to work on this. So I think I discovered I had missed some spots there, but you'll also see that I'm using a felt pad to clean off my brush. Now this is where I don't waste paint. Okay, you can see I've applied a little bit of blending solution to a felt, placed the stencil onto another 6x6 gel press so that I would not waste any color. So here you can see I've got my white paint that is going to help me pull up all of that goodness that's on there, and also my bonus print. So I just kind of stacked them on top of each other. It's not going to hurt them because it's not going to happen for that long. And ta-da! There it is. But also, ta-da! There is my bonus print.